My dear listeners, Namaste. This is Pandit Muniram Prasad from the Vedic Cultural Samaj of Central Florida, welcoming everyone to Ved Prachar, Voice of the Holy Vedas, a weekly presentation to familiarize listeners towards understanding Vedic Satya Sanatan Dharma in a simple way to lead us on the path to enjoy spiritual and material comfort in life. Please join me in this prayer. Om Prajapate Natvad Itanyanyo Vishwajatani Parita Babhuva Yat Kamaste Johomastano Astu Vayam Syam Patayo Reinam. O Prajapati, Lord of all creation, thou alone control and pervades all created objects, seen and unseen. May those desires for which we come to thee be fulfilled. May we abundantly enjoy material and spiritual wealth. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Today we will talk about the word Namaste as a unique form of salutation, a positive way to express greetings to someone. We are all familiar with the words good morning, good day, good evening, goodbye, and good night. Many other cultures have also established a word to greet each other. We Hindus have scores of words to extend greetings. However, in Hinduism in the Vedic age, scriptural revelations have designated the word namaste as an expression of friendly salutation of joy and happiness on meeting, welcoming someone. Many prayers gave praise and glorification to Almighty God. Namaste Satete Jagat Karunaya Ambar Abar Bhagavan Karte Tumhi Namaste. We say Namaste to God. We give a salutation to Him in recognition and respect of Him being the Creator, the Sovereign Ruler, the King and Master of this universe. We extend our gratitude and thanks for His benign rule, kind protection, and blessed gift of life. In most religious ceremonies and scriptures, the word Nama is frequently used to give salutation and praise to God, to express our love, devotion, and respect. When we say Namaste, we express our love intensely, deeply, and religiously to that person who deserves our attention and respect. Namaste, as a greeting and salutation, is an act using a phrase of friendly words or gestures of respect, such as bowing to acknowledge with praise and dignity, bhakti aradhana in a respectful and devoted way. We show our profound regard and divine honor to the person greeted. In the Vedic age, the age of purity and truth, the age of saints and sages, the word Namaste was used to greet each other. There was no other form of greetings. In Hinduism today, we are so much disorganized. Every conceivable sect, based upon their religious persuasion, have a different word of salutation, different words of salutation. The word Namaste was used to greet each other, and there was no other form of greetings. Sometimes it is confusing and end in religious conflicts. According to Vedic philosophy, the word Namaste is a universal salutation which can and should be used to greet, show respect, and give praise to God and human beings alike. Namaste is not a sectarian greeting word. In India, the land where civilization began, the word Namaste is now beginning to become a household word. The cream of Hindu intelligentsia in India have initiated reforms to establish a unified word to greet each other on meeting. Consequently, the word Namaste is used to greet each other in Indian government offices, schools, and Indian movies. We in this part of the world should also try to understand that the word Namaste is the original and official word of greeting and should be used as such. To say Namaste requires clasping of the hands, place it in front, in the middle of the chest, and make a graceful bow to the person greeted and say Namaste with a smile. Let us be proud of our heritage and become dignified by doing so. Start using the word Namaste from today and help to reform Hinduism and bring it to its original form as practiced in the Vedic age. The posture when we say Namaste indicates with the energy and strength in my arms, with all the wisdom and knowledge in me, with all the affection and love in my heart, I bow to show my deep and obliged respect to the soul in you, and with a smile. An unknown writer wrote these words about a smile, and I quote, "A smile costs nothing, but it gives so much. It enriches those who give it. It takes but a moment to give, but the memory of it sometimes lasts forever. None is so rich or mighty that they can get along without it, and none is so poor that they cannot be made richer by it. A smile creates happiness in the home, promotes goodwill in business, and is the cornerstone of friendship. It can perk up the weary, bring cheer to the discouraged, sunshine to the sad, and is nature's best antidote for trouble. Yet, it cannot be bought, begged, borrowed, or stolen. For it's something that is of no value to anyone until it is given away. When people are too tired to give you a smile, give them one of yours. No one needs a smile so much as he who has none to give. In conclusion, I humbly pray that may Parampita, God our highest Father, inspire our minds and intellect so that we can comprehend the true meaning of Namaste. This brings us to the end of this program, and thank you for listening. Join me again next week. Until then, this is Pandit Muniram Prasad saying Namaste to one and all. May God Parampita, Parbrahma Parameshwar Om keep us safe with guidance. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Namaste.